Hello everyone, welcome back to Raby Kid Foods, a channel of easy recipes, delicacies, and African traditional foods. If you happen to come across this channel, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning viewers, returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning back. Thank you for those of you who have been complimenting my work, and please continue browsing to membership pack of this channel, and you can also buy your super pack as well. Otherwise, guys, I'm back again with this video, and today I just want to make some fish balls. So please let's get together and cook. These are the ingredients. This is the fish itself. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have all-purpose flour here. I have breadcrumbs, salt to taste, the spices. I have paprika, turmeric. I have red onions, ginger and garlic, and some coriander. So what is missing in here are my English potatoes, which are still boiling, but you will see how I'm going to go about it. Keep tuned. So this is the fish. You can use any fish of your choice. You can use tilapia. You can use, so long as it's anything to do with fish. So I'm just start by, this is nail patch that I have. I'll just start by removing this the bones, but I prefer nail patch because it doesn't have a lot of bones. So I'll just separate them. So it's not really a must that you have to do with the bones at this particular point. It's easy to remove them when they are boiled or they are cooked. So even though there are some here, but they'll easily come out once I finish boiling them. So this is tilapia which has been deep fried. If you want soft, if you so wish, you can also use fresh ones, so long as it is fish. So keep tuned, guys. I'll boil my pan. I will just add some water. Not so much, that is just enough. Turmeric and my fish. So guys, cover it and let it boil. So keep tuned. So back to my fish, still boiling. So you have to let it boil so that it is soft. So just give it about 5 minutes and it will be done. So my fish is done, and I'm just going to strain it out now and let it cool. So this is it. I'm just going to strain it out. So keep tuned, guys. I will let it cool, and now make sure that I remove all the bones which could be there. So meanwhile, my potatoes are also boiled. So what I'm going to do next is now to start preparing the sauce. So keep tuned. So now, guys, make sure you remove the bones. just lit my pan. So I'll make sure my onions are cooked until they wither because I don't want them long. I have some ginger and the garlic. I'll add them as well. Now I'm going to add my fish. So guys, remember I'm making some fish balls. So I'll make sure I mix up everything here. So I'm going to add in this here, the coriander. Then I'm going to add some paprika. Guys, it has a very, very nice aroma. As my mix is still cooking, this is all-purpose flour. So the mixture will depend on how many balls you are making. You just mix water simultaneously. Make sure it doesn't have any lumps, as lumps will make your balls not so nice. So at this point now, I'll use these wheels. So this consistency is not bad. So if you wish, you can add some salt. But if you know you and you add enough salt, you don't need to put more. So next step here, I have my breadcrumbs here. Put a few of it here. Then next, I'll bring in my potatoes. So keep tuned, guys. I'll take this mix and make sure you make a ball-like shape. Like this. Put it aside. Though it's still hot, it's not so much. Ball-like shape like this. And try as much as possible for them to be of the same size so that they can look more appetizing and attractive. Please guys, try this recipe. It's very, very, very tasty, especially for fish lovers. And the good thing with it also is that for fish lovers, if you want to go for a picnic, it's one of the dry meals that you can carry along with you. So guys, as you're making the balls, try to press, and also if you can feel any bones inside. Like now, I felt a bone here, so just take it out. You see. So as you're doing this, you be careful. You press. If you can feel any bone, and this is the time to remove them. So guys, you can see, look at my appetizing, my oil. My oil is cooking ready for deep frying. So you must make sure that it is really, really hot so that it can come out nicely. And don't let the heat to be so high, because otherwise they will burn and will not have the best color. It will get black. So keep tuned. These are my breadcrumbs. I'll take one out first. You'll dip it inside this, then place it there, coat it with the breadcrumb, I'll dip it inside, then I'll use my other hand to coat it well. Make sure every part is well coated. With breadcrumbs. Then humbly put it aside. Then use the other hand also to coat it well. Continue. So guys, you can see now I've coated the balls. Now I'm just going to deep fry them. So keep tuned one by one. so nice, so yummy, so appetizing. This is the time to take them out. Don't let them to be too much brown. Otherwise, if they're too much brown, they'll get crunchy, so much crunchy, and you won't enjoy eating it. Because remember, we also had used some uh, uh, all-purpose flour. So you can see. So you can see the fish balls. They are looking so nice, so yummy, so appetizing. Just let me just finish up. Then I'll just show you the inside, how it looks, how tasty it is. Please, if consider subscribing. If I told you have not subscribed this channel, so that you can see the amazing videos, keep tuned, stay on. So guys, these are my fish balls. Let me just try one. You can see this. You can see here inside how amazing it looks. Looking so nice. Let me just try one. Please, my viewers, this is an amazing recipe. So nice. Even if you're going out for picnic, because it's a dry kind of recipe, you can carry it for picnic so long as it's well packed. Please try this. If at all you have not tried. Otherwise, thank you so much for tuning in to my videos. Please try this video out. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye. Welcome.